Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you will be fine. Students, in the last lecture, I told you to do a review exercise for yourself, but I feel there are some difficult questions. So I decided to explain it before starting the chapter number 10. Students, in a review exercise, you can see first 6 questions have nothing difficult because all the questions are similar to those which we discussed in the previous exercises. So I will start from question number 7. This is our lecture number 11. Topic is the same, factorization using algebraic identities. Question number 7. The statement of the question number 7 is factorize completely. Student, in this question we have to factorize 2 times the question. One times by taking common and second time by applying the identity. Now see this question. We have 4 terms in this question. By grouping, 2 terms we have. In the first 2 terms we have x square common, remaining we have x plus 1. The next 2 terms we have minus 4 common, we have x plus 1. Now you can see x plus 1 is a common factor in both. So take it common. Remaining we have x square minus 4. We can write this as x square and 4 as 2 square. Now by applying third identity, which is difference of 2 square, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Apply this identity on this. So we get x plus 2, x minus 2. So final answer will be x plus 1, x plus 2 into x minus 2. Students, question number 8, part A. 899 whole square. The nearest whole number, mean number in hundreds, close to 899 is 900. So we may write 899 as 900 minus 1 whole square. Now apply the second identity on this expression, which is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. In this question we have a is 900 and b is 1. Here we have a square in the center minus 2ab plus b square. Square of 9 is 81. Just double the quantity of 0. Here we have 0, 2. In the answer we may write these 0 in quantity of 4. Just multiply 2 to 900. We will get 1800. Square of 1 is 1. Just add these two values. We will get 81,001 minus 1800. Just subtract 1800 from this. We will get the final answer, which is 808201. Now students, question number 8, part B. 659 square minus 341 square. Students, in this question we will apply the identity number 3, which is difference of 2 squares. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Write these number in this form. First of all, write these number in a positive form, then in negative form. 1 times positive, 1 times negative. Just add these two values, we will get 1000, and subtracting these two values we will get 318. Just multiply 318 by 1000, we will get 318000. Now students, question number 9. In question number 9 we have to given 2 into x minus y whole square is equal to 116. xy is equal to 24 and we have to find the value of x square plus y square. Students, you can see 2 is multiplied by this factor x minus y whole square. When we transfer this 2 on the other side, it will divide. So we may write it as 116 divided by 2. So it will become 58. Now apply identity number 2 on this part, which is x square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to 58. Arrange the values. x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 58. We have the value of xy, which is 24. Just substitute the value of xy here. Multiply 2 with 24, we will get 48. When we transfer this 48 to the other side, the sign will change. This negative sign will change to the positive. Just add 58 plus 48. We will get the final answer, which is 106. Now student, last question of the review exercise 4, question number 10. Question number 10 contains two parts. In both the parts we have to expand the given expressions. In the first part we have f plus 3 whole square. Student, apply identity number 1, which is a plus b whole square, where a is f and b is 3. Just apply the identity a square b square in the center plus 2ab. F square, write as it is. Square of 3 is 9. Multiply 3, 2 and f, we will get 6f. So final answer is f square plus 6f plus 9. In the second part, students, you may see we have 2h plus k in one bracket plus 3 and then whole square. Consider 2h plus k as a, 3 as b. Now apply the same identity, mean identity number 1, which is a plus b whole square. Just write a square b square in the center 2ab. Once again we apply identity number on this factor a square b square in the center 2ab. Multiply 3 to 2, we will get 6 into 2h plus k and the square of 3 is 9. Now finally we have 4h square 2 to the 4hk plus k square. Multiply 6 to 2h, we will get 12h, then 6k and at the last 9. So finally we have 4h square plus 4hk plus k square plus 12h plus 6k plus 9. Now students, hope so you will be able to do all the remaining questions of the review exercise 4. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss chapter number 10, Pythagoras theorem. Till then, Allah Hafiz.